10 Best Shocks for Ford F-150 4x4 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. Ford F-150/Raptor Rear Shocks, 0 to 3.5-inch lift. Transform your Ford F-150, 2009 to 2024, or F-150 Raptor, 2010 to 2024, with rear shocks engineered for excellence. If your truck features a 0 to 3.5-inch lift, stock shocks simply can't provide the necessary travel. Our purpose-built shocks offer that critical longer travel, restoring optimal suspension performance and handling for your lifted setup. Experience a dramatically more comfortable ride, whether on your daily commute or light trails. The advanced twin-tube design, combined with natural rubber bushings, tirelessly absorbs noise and smooths vibrations. Built from high-strength, anti-corrosion steel and featuring a protective dust cover, these shocks promise exceptional durability and a longer service life. Upgrade today and feel the difference of shocks that truly match your truck's capabilities. Number 9. Ford F-150 and Mark LT Front Quick Struts, 04-08. Is your Ford F-150 04-084WD/AWD or Lincoln Mark LT 06-084WD not riding like it used to? It's time to rediscover that factory-fresh feel. Our front quick struts are precision-engineered as a direct replacement, providing 2 complete strut spring assemblies built to OE specifications and 100% tested for ultimate reliability. Experience dramatically improved vehicle control, consistent balance, and proper damping that transforms every drive. You'll notice significantly reduced road vibrations and bumps, delivering a smoother, more comfortable journey. Beyond comfort, these struts protect other suspension components, boost fuel efficiency, and even sharpen your acceleration and braking. Restore your truck's performance and safety with confidence. Number 8. F-150 4WD Strut Shock Assembly 97-03, less than 7,700 GVW. Give your trusty 1997 to 2003 F-150 4WD under 7,700 GVW the ride it deserves. Our complete strut shock assembly provides a direct, hassle-free replacement for your worn-out suspension. This full front and rear set is engineered for a perfect fit, making installation straightforward and getting you back on the road swiftly. Crafted from high-quality steel with meticulous weld design, these assemblies deliver exceptional structural integrity and long-lasting durability. You'll immediately feel a smoother, safer, and significantly more comfortable ride, backed by rigorous performance testing. Beyond comfort, expect reduced tire and chassis wear, leading to improved fuel economy and lower maintenance costs over your truck's lifespan. Upgrade today and experience factory-level performance and reliability. Number 7. Rough Country 97-03F 154 WD Front Shocks. Ready to revitalize your 97-03F 154 WD? Our Rough Country front shocks are engineered to transform your ride. With 10-stage variable valving, you get superior control and comfort, adapting seamlessly from highway cruising to challenging off-road terrain. Experience consistent, fade-free performance thanks to nitrogen charging and military-spec fluid rated to -40 degrees C, ensuring reliability even in the harshest conditions. The fast-cooling 54mm shock body and robust 36 kN tensile strength construction mean these shocks are built to last. You'll appreciate the quiet operation from durable rubber bushings and the leak-free guarantee of a spring-loaded piston rod seal. Drive with absolute confidence, backed by Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty. Upgrade for a noticeable difference. Number 6. Ford F-150 Rear Shocks, 2009 to 2020. Is your 2009 to 2020 Ford F-150 4WD feeling a bit rough in the rear? Upgrade your ride quality with Vertex Premium Rear Shocks, engineered specifically for your truck. These aren't just replacements, they're an enhancement, perfectly compatible with OE number 911302, 349,108. Built to rigorous Seiko manufacturing standards, these shocks promise extended life and unwavering performance, ensuring your F-150 handles like new, whether on the road or tackling tough terrain. Forget complex installations. Buckle holes are perfectly aligned for a quick, hassle-free swap, no modifications needed. Plus, drive with absolute confidence thanks to Vertex's robust 36-month warranty. Restore that smooth, controlled F-150 feel today. Number 5. F-150 2009 to 2013 Complete Front Strut Assembly. Ready to revitalize your 2009 to 2013 F-150 4WD? Our complete front strut assembly is precisely engineered to restore your truck's legendary ride. Designed as a direct fit, OE specification replacement, you'll find installation straightforward for specific F-150 4WD models, including various engine sizes, excluding SVT Raptor where applicable. You'll immediately experience enhanced safety and control, as these struts provide proper damping and consistent balance, smoothing out rough roads for a significantly more comfortable journey. Beyond comfort, they protect other suspension components, potentially improving your F-150's fuel efficiency, acceleration, and braking performance. Each assembly is 100% tested for durability and comes with a 1-year quality assurance, giving you peace of mind. Reclaim your F-150's capabilities today. Number 4. F-150 Rear Shock Bolt Kit, Upper and Lower, 2009 to 2025. Experiencing F-150 rear suspension issues or performing maintenance? Our F-150 Rear Shock Bolt Kit is the ultimate solution. Designed for every 2009 to 2025 F-150, including 4x4, 2WD, and all engine/trim/door configurations. This kit ensures perfect compatibility, eliminating guesswork. You're getting a complete, direct OEM replacement for all 4 rear shock mounts, upper/lower, driver/passenger sides. Each kit includes 4 Class 10.9 hardened flange bolts and matching lock nuts, engineered to meet or exceed original factory strength for unmatched reliability. Plus, a robust silver dacrymat coating offers superior corrosion resistance, guaranteeing long-lasting durability and a smooth, secure ride for years to come. Upgrade your F-150 with confidence. Number 3. Ford and Mazda Load Adjusting Toe Shocks. Tired of your truck sagging or swaying under heavy loads? Upgrade your ride with our Ford and Mazda Load Adjusting Toe Shocks, engineered to bring back stability and comfort. These premium shocks are specifically designed for the rear of your Ford Bronco, F-Series, Ranger, or compatible Mazda B-Series, for RWD models with front coil springs where applicable. Say goodbye to porpoising and hello to confident towing. Whether you're hauling equipment for work or hitting the road with your camper, these shocks automatically adjust to prevent sag, improve steering response, and deliver a consistently smooth, controlled ride. Experience enhanced handling and peace of mind on every journey. It's time to rediscover what your truck is truly capable of. Number 2. AUTOMUTO Ford E-Series Front and Rear Shocks. Ready to rediscover the smooth, stable ride your Ford E-Series deserves? Our AUTOMUTO front and rear shocks are precisely engineered for a perfect, direct fit on your 2007 E150, 2003 to 2007 E250, or 1992 to 2002 E250 Econoline. This 4-piece set is meticulously designed to meet OE specifications, ensuring a hassle-free installation with buckle holes consistent with original mounting points. You're getting new, high-performance shocks only, ready to seamlessly integrate with your existing springs and mounts. Say goodbye to that bouncy, uncomfortable ride and hello to restored handling and control. We're an honest partner. Buy with confidence, knowing you're upgrading your vehicle with parts built for reliability. Your E-Series will thank you with every mile. Number 1. 2014 F-150 Front Struts and Rear Shocks. Is your 2014 F-150 feeling a bit rough around the edges? It's time to restore that legendary Ford ride with our complete front struts and rear shocks kit. Designed specifically for your 2014 F-150, replaces 17265-2L/911302. This isn't just a repair, it's an upgrade. Say goodbye to costly garage visits and dangerous coil spring compressors. Our front struts arrive fully assembled, meaning a straightforward, DIY-friendly installation. You get 2 complete front struts with coil springs and 2 rear gas shocks, covering both driver and passenger sides for a comprehensive suspension overhaul. Experience improved handling, a smoother journey, and renewed confidence in your truck. Just confirm your vehicle details and get ready to rediscover your F-150's potential. So, that sums up my 10 best shocks for Ford F-150 4x4. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time,